All right, we're making a video today, and the reason for it is right here. Our friend Corey Thibodaux from Carpet Muscle TV, of course, if you guys know him, he's a Challenger dealer. He sent us another Challenger pad driver. Now look at the quality of this. It's made out of wood. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's got Velcro all over the bottom. It'll grip any bonnet you want to grab and hang on to it for dear life. He also sent us these four 14-inch Challenger bonnets because we're Oreck cleaners. And the whole thing behind all this is this is our third pad driver he's given us. We don't buy these things. Corey sends them to us because we help him sell bonnets and stuff. And Corey's our friend and he's generous. And we have 3 Orecks, so he sent us a third pad driver. We already have 2, and none of them have worn out. The Velcro's good on it. We had one over a year, and the Velcro still works real good on it. And part of that is because we use the right kind of bonnets. If you use bonnets that have rows on them and stuff like that, you'll leave a lot of hair in your Velcro, a lot of fuzz in your Velcro, and it'll gum it up. But these bonnets here, when they pull off, they really don't leave any debris behind. Joe's got the business card for Corey, so we want to show that.
See if I can get this focus, because this camera's weird.
Well, yeah, it's kind of a funny cell phone camera, but it's got Corey's number on it, if it focuses.
That's what you want to do, 512-350-1129, Corey Thibodaux. You want to text message him. And be specific in the text message what you want. If you want an Oreck pad driver and some bonnets for the Oreck, you can get the 14-inch or the 17-inch. We usually use the 17-inch pads, but the 14-inches, you can see they're a little bigger than the pad driver.
The 14's fine. Yeah,
when they get used, they start to curl up a little bit, and they're not as oversized as that.
Yeah, when you get them wet a few times, they'll kind of curl up like a piece of bologna in a skillet.
Yeah, or like a potato chip.
It doesn't hurt them, but
no,
they curl up, and it's a little harder to hit the pad driver right in the center when you jump the machine on it. So the 17-inch ones are, it's easy to hit the center.
Well, we like to say, if you watch a bunch of our recent videos, we use the 17s a lot because
we like it better because it hits the baseboard.
Yeah, it goes into the corners a little more.
It hits the riser on the stair.
Yeah, but so these work fine too. The 17s
they're great.
17s are, you can get them in 5 or 10 packs.
Yeah.
But tell Corey exactly what you're interested in when you text him, so he has an idea, because he'll get back in touch with you, but give him an idea what you want.
Now, what we're going to do you see how thin these bonnets are? These are like maybe double ply. I don't know if they're triple ply, but they're thin. They're not as thin as a washcloth, but they're very thin, and they glide really fast under any machine. Now, here's a couple of bonnets. This is I'm not going to say the name, but this is a cotton bonnet, 100% cotton, and this is a microfiber. Now, I've always told a lot of people that know who I am that I'm going to make a video on what bonnet to use on what carpet, so I'm going to kind of do that right now. This isn't the official video, but whenever you're on we use an Oreck. If you're whatever machine you're wanting to use, I'm going to tell you a helpful hint. The thinner the bonnet, the more headweight you have in your machine, and I'll explain. An Oreck weighs 25 pounds. It doesn't matter what you use, but the machines weigh the same amount of weight. But if you get a bonnet that's thick like these, you're actually decreasing your head weight because you're getting the machine to ride up higher in the air with more padding underneath it. When you get down to a bonnet like this, your head weight automatically, the weight don't go up, but the power you're putting into the bonnet does. So you actually increase your ability to clean the carpets faster because you're using a thinner bonnet, so it's a more aggressive cleaning. So on most carpets, you want to use a bonnet like this, not like these. Now on a commercial glue down, on a Berber carpet, you can use these as long as it's a smooth carpet. But on a rough carpet like a commercial glue down, these are good because they ride up a little bit. And on a commercial glue down, you'll rip holes in these. You'll put a hole right through the bonnet. On these, you won't. Microfiber is perfect for commercial glue down because microfiber it glides over the top of commercial glue down perfectly, as rough as it is, and it doesn't wear through the bonnet. So depending on what kind of carpet type you're on, you could want this or this. We never use this. We either use this or this. And we got the striped microfibers too, which is what we usually prefer. I just didn't get it out for the video.
The stock Oreck bonnets, that's a two-way style bonnet.
They're like this, except this is
they're
not
a blend, and the blends are a little bit better. They spin a little bit faster.
Yeah.
The cotton's very absorbent, but it can heat up. It's hard to work on the machine.
Well, this is
And they get dirty faster, so you have to change them out more often.
This is 100% cotton, and it will damage residential carpets.
Yeah, you gotta be careful
because
with it.
It's too aggressive. These are 50-50 cotton polyester blend. They got enough polyester that they'll glide smooth, and they got enough cotton to absorb dirt. But
and the Oreck bonnets,
they will not tear up residential carpets.
The Oreck two-way bonnets,
they're polyester.
They have polyester and a little bit of cotton in them. But the polyester is like that makes them wear a lot longer.
Yeah, the Oreck bonnets look like this.
Those cotton bonnets like that, they're 100%. They wear out pretty fast. You got to keep replacing
them. And they will damage carpets. We don't recommend them. Someone gave us this a long time ago, so we have it. I've never bought them. I wouldn't use them. I tried it. I didn't like it at all. I didn't like the way it ran, and I could tell it was going to be too aggressive for a residential carpet.
But microfibers, direct mop cells is a good place to get the microfibers.
These kind of bonnets are the king of bonnets to use on commercial glue down. On Berbers and residential, these are the best.
And we usually use the striped.
These really don't matter.
The striped microfibers have scrub strips in them.
Yeah, we use the striped ones.
We use the striped ones more. That one looks nice because we never use it. We use it once or twice.
They're great on floors, on wood floors, tile floors, vinyl floors, whatever. These things work real good on floors. And remember that too. If you put a thinner bonnet under your pad, you'll have your machine will be more aggressive. So it's like an increase in the head weight. Although the head weight don't go up, you increase the ability of the machine because it drives harder because the thinner the bonnet, the harder the.
And we always try to tell people too. We like the bonnets to spin. So
yeah,
sometimes you use this bonnet here on a carpet and it barely spins, and it's still orbiting, but it's barely spinning.
No, I don't.
And if you can find a bonnet that's going to spin a little bit better, you'll probably clean faster and a little easier for you.
I don't really like these blue microfibers.
Well, they seem like the machine has to work a little harder to use them.
I like the ones with scrub strips.
Yeah.
They're better. These, I've used it on floors, and it's fine on floors as far as if you want to just do a quick power mopping on the floor. I prefer these on floors. I really don't like this bonnet at all. I really don't like this bonnet at all. If I'm going to use either one of these bonnets, I'm going to use them on commercial glue down.
We got our bonnets all packed away so they're ready to go, and so we don't want to dig them all out.
We've got like 50 bonnets, and yeah, we kind of leave them ready for the jobs.
Yeah.
But anyway, get these things, get this thing, call Corey or text him, whatever.
Text message.
He's on Carpet Muscle TV on YouTube. He's a great guy. He can help you. If Challenger's having deals, he'll know about it. He keeps up with whatever Challenger's into. That's the guy to call for all this stuff. So. Anyway, we hope this video kind of helped you guys out with getting
let me show you the card one more time here.
And we hope to help you to figure out what bonnet to use on what
if I can hold this steady enough. There's the phone number. Just, text message him and get in touch with him, and he'll get back with you. And that's all you need to know.
Hopefully that shows up good on video. We don't know.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. And until next time, thanks for watching.